The nerves in your body carry electrical signals from your brain and spinal cord through your nervous system. When your nerves are healthy and functioning properly, they provide sensation and motor control, allowing you to feel and move various parts of your body, such as your feet, hands, or legs. However, these nerves can sometimes sustain damage, resulting in unusual sensations in your feet and hands. Symptoms may include pins and needles, electric shocks, shooting pains, hot burning sensations, cold trickling sensations, tingling, crawling sensations, or numbness. This condition is known as peripheral neuropathy, which typically affects the nerves furthest from your heart, such as your toes or fingers. Nerves can be compared to electrical wires that are prone to damage if not properly nourished with the right vitamins and minerals in your diet. This video aims to explore the 6 primary causes of nerve pain and tingling in your feet and hands, neuropathy, and provide guidance on how to address them using nutrition and natural remedies. It is important to note that this video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any medical concerns, it is advisable to consult your doctor. The first and most common cause of peripheral nerve problems is a deficiency in vitamins B1 and B12. Thiamine, B1, and cobalamin, B12, are essential for the formation and protection of myelin, the fatty coating that surrounds and safeguards your nerves. Insufficient levels of these nutrients can damage the myelin, similar to how electrical wires can be affected, leading to misfiring nerves. Consequently, your brain interprets the disrupted signals as pain, tingling, numbness, or shooting sensations. Some individuals may also experience a slight imbalance while walking due to progressive nerve damage. High blood sugar levels contribute to vitamin B1 deficiency. Excessive consumption of refined carbohydrates and sugars, such as bread, sweets, flour, and biscuits, results in a rapid increase in blood sugar levels, depleting your reserves of vitamin B1. This depletion is problematic as vitamin B1 is necessary to convert these foods into energy. Unfortunately, your body requires an ample amount of vitamin B1 to transmit nerve signals and protect myelin. Consequently, as you deplete your B1 levels, you may experience nerve pain starting in your feet or hands. This condition is particularly prevalent among individuals with diabetes or prediabetes due to their high blood sugar levels. Another factor contributing to B1 depletion is elevated cortisol, stress hormone, caused by prolonged emotional stress. When the body enters a fight or flight state, cortisol is released to conserve energy. However, over time, this can further deplete your B1 reserves. Additionally, frequent consumption of caffeinated drinks like coffee, tea, or soda can overstimulate the body and exacerbate B1 depletion. Having a strong and healthy digestive system is crucial for absorbing vital nutrients that support healthy nerves, including zinc, copper, magnesium, B12, and B1. Digestive problems such as bloating, gas, indigestion, acid reflux, or colon inflammation can hinder the absorption of these nutrients. Moreover, as we age, stomach acid naturally weakens, higher pH, making it challenging to break down and absorb vitamin B12, which is essential for building the coating around your nerves, myelin. To address these issues, you can use products like betaine HCl, digestive enzymes, apple cider vinegar, or cabbage juice to enhance your digestive juices, thereby facilitating the absorption of these vital nutrients for healthy nerves. Consuming meals that combine sugar with fat or protein can lead to the formation of sticky compounds called advanced glycation end products, AGEs, in your blood. For example, consuming meat with sweet sugary sauces, pizza, ice cream, or baked goods made with sugar-containing cooking oils can result in the formation of AGEs. These compounds can bind to the surface of your nerve cells, impairing their proper functioning and triggering inflammation in your nerves. Consequently, your immune system starts attacking these foreign proteins adhered to your nerves. A low-fat diet can also negatively impact your nerves. The myelin sheath that protects your nerves is composed of fat, so it is important to include an adequate amount of essential fatty acids in your diet, especially omega-3s. However, some individuals follow low-fat, calorie-restricted diets in an attempt to lose weight, which can lead to degradation of the peripheral nerves and spinal cord over time. Now that you understand the possible causes of nerve pain and tingling in your feet or hands, let's explore 5 natural ways to reverse this nerve damage. 1. Regularly consume foods naturally rich in vitamin B12 and B1, such as nutritional yeast, beef liver, shellfish, oysters, wild salmon, sunflower seeds, organic pork, and garlic. These foods provide the necessary nutrients to repair the myelin sheath surrounding your nerves. 2. Strengthen your stomach and improve nutrient absorption by drinking 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water before each meal. This drink helps enhance your digestive juices, enabling better absorption of nerve-strengthening fats, vitamins, and minerals. 3. Reduce your intake of refined carbohydrates, sugars, and grains found in bread, cereal, biscuits, sweets, soda drinks, table sauces, alcoholic beverages, and flour-based foods. These foods deplete your B vitamins. 4. Replace unhealthy sources of carbohydrates with healthy fats from avocados, extra virgin olive oil, wild fish, grass-fed beef, and pasture-raised eggs. This will help regulate your blood sugar levels and replenish your nerves' protective coating. 5. Increase blood flow to nourish and heal your nerves by engaging in exercise at least twice a week, incorporating activities that elevate your heart rate, such as biking or jogging. Additionally, perform calf stretches daily to activate and stimulate the nerves. Taking hot baths with Epsom salts can also alleviate nerve pain. 6. One of the best ways to help the damaged nerve tissue to regrow and heal is by eating all of your meals in a strict 5-hour window and allowing your body 19 hours to rest and digest. 7. This form of fasting triggers fast remyelination, helping the body to rebuild the protective fatty coating around your nerves. Nutritional supplements. Finally, I'd like to share a few nutritional supplements that have also been shown to help repair peripheral neuropathy and nerve damage. Benfotiamine. You may consider taking benfotiamine 3x per day, 300 mg. This is a fat-soluble version of vitamin B1, thiamine, that penetrates the outer coating of your nerves faster than the regular water-soluble B1 that you get from food. This helps to heal the nerves from within and improve the transmission of nerve impulses. Methylcobalamin, B12, to help recoat the surface of your nerves with their protective coating, myelination. You can also supplement using up to 1,800 mg of vitamin B12 in the form called methylcobalamin to help supplement your diet, especially if you are over 50. Digestive enzymes. If you have digestive problems, there are digestive enzyme blends available which also contain ox bile and betaine HCl. These supplements are used to improve the quality of your digestive juices, helping you to absorb essential fatty acids and nutrients like iron, B1, copper, B12 and others that support your nerves. Alpha-lipoic acid. Alpha-lipoic acid can also be used to help heal and repair your peripheral nerves, 600 mg 3x per day. This is a powerful antioxidant prescribed in Germany which reduces oxidative stress and glycation so that your nerves can heal themselves over time. In my previous video, I talked about the most common symptoms of a vitamin B1 deficiency, which include nerve damage. 10 signs you are deficient in vitamin B1. Most common symptoms of nail problems and how they are linked to deficiencies in certain nutrients. Thank you so much for watching my video today, and as always I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.